GRL Engineers performed testing and analysis for the State Route 528 Central Florida Expressway near the Orlando International Airport. Project goals were to create a smoother transition, expedite the project timeline, and meet pile design specifications. GRL Engineers performed dynamic pile testing with a pile driving analyzer, GRL WEEP pile drivability analyses, CAPWAP data analyses, and recommended production pile length and driving criteria for 20 pile vents supporting 7 bridges. Variable stroke open-ended diesel hammers were used for pile driving, thus GRL provided driving criteria recommendations to achieve the required nominal bearing resistance. The project cost approximately $118 million and was completed 8 months ahead of schedule, winning a 2022 award for Best in Construction from the Florida Transportation Builders Association.